Good afternoon, thanks for tuning in. I'm Holly Shields and you're watching Kalkine TV live from our senior studios. This is the last show of the day, the last trade. Today the S&P ASX200 closed up, gaining 19.10 points or 0.26% and setting a new 20-day high. The top performing stocks in this index were Bluescope Steel up 5.04% and Brickworks up 4.20%. Over the past 5 days, the index has gained 1.53%, but is still virtually unchanged over the year-to-date period. And now for a look at the stocks that were in the news today, starting with healthcare firm Healius, whose shares were trading lower at 4.23 Australian dollars. The company announced it will be selling the Adora Fertility and 3 co-located Healius Day hospitals. The deal is subject to customary conditions precedent and is expected to happen before the end of this financial year. Healius has announced that it's entered into a binding agreement as well to sell the Adora Fertility and 3 located Healius Day hospitals to funds managed by Liverpool Partners. And then on a cash and debt-free basis, the deal would be worth around $30.5 million. And next up, Neuren Pharmaceuticals informed its shareholders today that it had received approval from the US FDA to conduct the phase 2 trial of NNZ-2591 in Pitt-Hopkins syndrome. Neuren also shared that the investigational new drug application is functional now for the PTSH program. It's also preparing for the phase 2 trial in IND in Prader-Willi syndrome. But despite the news, Neuren Pharmaceuticals shares were trading lower today in line with the overall weakness in the healthcare index, which was down 0.56%. It shares were trading in the red zone at $4.13 Australian cents. And also making news today, Actinogen Medical, which is involved in developing a novel therapy for neurological diseases related to dysregulated brain cortisol. The company's lead compound, Xanamem, is a promising new therapy for Alzheimer's disease, and it's currently under development. In the half-year ending December 31, the company completed a $13.3 million capital raising to fund the expansion of the clinical development pipeline. It also established 2 new Xanamem clinical advisory boards for Fragile X syndrome and depression programs. Actinogen has provided a lucrative return of nearly 200% to its investors in the last 52 weeks. The company has a market cap of $177.88 million, and its trading price today is at around 0.105 Australian cents. And in a significant development, Singapore telco giant Singtel Optus has requested Australian Competition and Consumer Commission to block the groundbreaking infrastructure deal signed between Optus's 2 business rivals, Telstra and TPG Telecom. Optus has expressed apprehension that the deal might create a 5G monopoly, especially in regional areas. Under the 10-year network sharing deal announced in February this year, TPG Telecom will have access to approximately 3,700 of Telstra's mobile network assets, expanding its 4G coverage from almost 96% to 98.8% of the population, thus overshadowing Optus. Australia's second largest telco, Telstra shares were trading in the green zone today at $3.90 Australian. Telstra shares have gained 17.27% over the last 12 months as well. And that is a wrap today on the last trade, but tune in next time only on Kalkine TV. This is Holly Shields signing off.